Guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I am going to do another mini cash stuffing video. I am going to be paying my credit cards back because I do use credit cards to make some of my purchases. I only have two that I personally use for everyday spending. I have a Capital card that I use mainly for groceries, and then I do use a Wells Fargo card that I basically use for like everyday spending and get gas on that and just any other random thing that I need to buy, because that one gives me 2% cash back. Also, the Capital card also gives me 2% cash back on all groceries, so that is why I like using those two cards. So let's go ahead and get started. So I didn't really organize this video very well. I know the exact amounts that I need to put back, but I don't know if I might need change or not, so we'll figure it out as we go. So the first thing that I spent money on so far is gas. So I did put gas in my car, and that was $30. So I am going to go to my gas envelope and get $30. I did budget $40, so $10 is going to go back into my gas envelope. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to need any more gas this week because it is Labor Day weekend, and so I'm not going to go to work on Monday, so that means less driving. And I think I am going to be off on Thursday as well, so I might not need that much gas money. So this $30 actually is going to go towards my Wells Fargo card because I do use the Wells Fargo card for my gas money. So I am just going to be putting this money in here, and we'll do one by one so that way I don't get confused. And the next category is my spend category. So I did go to Bath and Body Works, and I did get myself some body lotion and some body sprays. So I did spend $26. So I know that I only budgeted $20, but I am going to be getting $6 from my low priority sinking funds. I guess you could call them that, or just like everyday sinking funds. So for my self-care, I am going to be taking out $6, and I do have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46. I am going to be taking these 6 out, and I am left with 10, 20, 30, $40. So we are going to be keeping these in here, and I am probably you know what, I'm going to go ahead and get some more money from here because I got some vitamins, and so I need $14. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get 15 and put this $1 back. So now we have all of the self-care money that we need to get out, because I got some vitamins, and so I'm just gonna use my self-care money for that. So I think that is the only thing that we are going to be needing from this binder. So let's see, so the Bath and Body Works, I used the Wells Fargo card. I'm not even gonna organize it. I'll organize it at the end, I guess. And then the vitamins, I did use my Capital card because I did order them through Walmart. I did an online order for groceries, and I just went ahead and got them through my Capital card. So I'm just gonna do that way. So next is restaurant. So restaurant, I am going to be getting out $6 because I got at Walmart, I got my son some like chicken tenders because he was hungry. So instead of stopping by McDonald's, I just got him a little like plate. They had chicken tenders and potato wedges and he got mac and cheese and it was like $6. So this is going towards my Capital card, so paying that off. So next is groceries. So like I mentioned, I did do a Walmart pickup order, but I also bought some other things separate, and so altogether was $146. So let's go ahead and get that. So we have 100, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. I'm gonna do 147 because the total was 146.84 for all of my groceries. So let's go ahead and count that again just to make sure. So I have 100, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. That is going to my Capital card because that is what I use for my online order, and also when I bought that other stuff, I use my Capital card. So now in groceries, I have 50, 51, 52, $53. And I might be using this money at Publix to do some of their couponing deals, but I am not sure because I think I'm pretty good on groceries, and honestly, I don't want to overspend anymore. I really want to get a handle on my groceries because it's just, I don't want to buy something just because it's on sale and it has cash back or you know, those types of deals. I really just want to buy something or things that we actually need. And then for Kodak, I did go over budget on Kodak by $1.20 because I only budgeted $20, and this is going towards my Capital card because again, I ordered his food with my online order, so that is going to that. I might get like $1 from his envelope. So I'll get $1 and just add that, so that way it can be $21. And next is household. So I did go over household just, well, not really a little bit. I went over by $25 and I had only budgeted $20. And that is because I was on budget for this, but I bought some toilet paper that was 11 and some change, and then I buy like these mop pad, I like to call them mop pads, for my floor. So I have hardwood floors and I use like a special cleaner for them, and then I use those, I call them mop pads, and so I'll get them at Walmart. And they, when I did my online order, I ordered like the ones that were $8 and some change, so that way I could have enough money for that. But then they didn't have it in stock, and so I had to get like the large pack, and it was like $11.97 plus tax, so it made me go over my household budget. So yeah, so I'm going to be adding this to my Capital card, but I think I'm also going to get I forgot I don't have miscellaneous money in here, so I guess just $20. We're going to be short $5 for household. And then I did my self-care, so that should be everything for this mini cash unstuffing. This is what I have spent so far this week, and what I am going to do is just organize my money because that way if I need change, all this is organized. So, and that is how I keep track of like my spending and how I pay my credit cards back each month, so that way I don't carry a balance. And this just helps me, honestly, and I like to unstuff as soon as I like spend the money, and so that way I don't forget about like how much needs to go back and things like that. It helps me keep better track of how much I spent because I know that I have to pay that money back. So that is how I use my credit cards, and I hope this videos help you guys out if you use credit cards and are wondering, like, you know, how you can pay them off each month. Technically, just use them as debit cards, and only if you have the cash to pay that money back, then, you know, that's what I recommend. And this also helps your credit score, you know, paying them off each month and when you're supposed to pay them back, and just keeping track of everything has really helped me with my credit score also, because I do like to pay them off when they are due. So that is it for this week's mini cash stuffing. Let me know if you enjoy these videos. I will keep on making them. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support with my channel and my videos, and I just want to say thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel and would like to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe down below. I will be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway soon, so don't forget to subscribe down below, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.